shillings NYS case against former Devolution and Planning's PS Peter Mangiti and former NYS boss Nelson Githinji. She, however, did not testify after the case was adjourned following the death of a lawyer representing two of the accused. Now, Justice Francis Ndai ruled that it would be in violation of the right of the two accused to be represented by counsel of their choice if the case proceeded. The case was adjourned to allow the two accused to get new lawyers to represent them. The case will now be heard on the 5th and the 6th of August and the 13th, 14th and 16th of September.
I will find that the defense was already supplied with those statements, and so there is no new statement there. On that ground, I will find that there is no new statement supplied and that the defense was supplied with the statements prior, and that ground will therefore not occasion an adjournment. On the issue of the media coverage, I find no good reason to keep the media out of the proceedings. I'll however, ask them, and please comply. You are very poor at complying. Even after asking you to comply, you are still you know, nyinyi hamuonekanangi kwa videos, so hata nikisema hamsikii. You are crowded where you are. Can you find space? And this is now out of the court. Okay? I will, however, ask them to find sufficient space where available and stop crowding so that they are also observing the COVID-19 protocol. So you will find spaces wherever and stay there, but not crowd where you are. Ama niambie huyo ofisa wangu washike for breaching the COVID protocol. Now, the disturbing issue of space, we have tried to space all the parties in court to the best of our ability, and the only other thing we can do is to ask probably members of the public to stay on the periphery. We shall be asking all those who are not participants to listen. We have a PA system here, you can listen and hear what we are saying, but from a distance, a safe distance, so that we have proper air circulation. We'll also try to open these flaps. They are openable. We can have them open so that there is proper air circulation inside here. However, there is the issue of two accused persons currently not being represented due to the passing on of their advocate, Mr. Wagara, and that is not an issue that can be bypassed, and so the matter cannot proceed, as it will not only be insensitive. We are told that Mr. Wagara still lies on in the mortuary and has not been buried. That means it will be unreasonable for me to say that the accused persons had sufficient time for them to get another advocate. It will also be in violation of the two accused persons' right to be represented by counsel of their choice.
The music industry has been hit hard by coronavirus, with live performance revenue being the biggest casualty, with live shows on pause due to the pandemic, forcing creative industries in Kenya to tap into new revenue streams on digital platforms and outlets amidst the advent of the COVID-19 pandemic. Elvis Kosgei spoke to a section of artists in